For those of you into those impulse buys on 4Patriots, they have a e-tool that they're selling. Well, the entrenching tool actually seems like pretty good stuff. The pouch it comes in is pretty much garbage. So do not fear. If you end up with one of these things, like I did, you can find the good old, I think this is made by Eagle, but your e-tool carrier, get a Molly one, 1000 denier. You can get one of these for $8 or $9 at a surplus store, pretty much. Totally changes the dynamic of your e-tool. This is a toy. This is real deal. Good shovel, bad pouch, simple fix. So there you go.